name's Clare Bottle. I'm the Chief Executive of the UK Warehousing Association. So it was about the warehouse of the future. Our organisation was 80 years old in 2024, and I got the chance to go and visit 80 warehouses all across the UK. And rather than just writing something about what I'd seen, I used that as a starting point to think about what it means for the future of warehousing and to write a white paper about that. Yeah, sure. So we have a 4-pillar mission at the UK Warehousing Association. The first of our pillars is that we talk about warehousing, and that's really important because not only do we talk at events like this, but we also talk to the government and the media about why warehousing is so important in the UK economy. The second pillar of our mission is to raise standards. One of the ways of raising standards, of course, is to educate yourself by visiting wonderful events like CHEMUK. We're also very interested in providing training for people who need training that's specific to warehousing, so we provide a warehouse manager's qualification. The third pillar of our mission is to build community. So we have a strong online community with a great website and lots of activity on LinkedIn, but we also run a whole programme of events through the year and make sure that we attend other events like this. And fourth and final, we just help our members. We've got 1,000 member companies all across the UK and Ireland, and our vision for the future is that when people have got any kind of warehousing problem, they should immediately think that UK Warehousing Association is the place to go where you can get help. So today I've been talking about our Warehouse of the Future white paper, and I covered a range of topics, but the most important one, I think, was a point I wanted to make about skills. I said today that warehouse managers and scientists are equally skilled roles. This is something which I don't think politicians recognise, and I think sometimes the individuals themselves don't recognise it either. But there are so many skills required by today's warehouse managers in chemical supply chains that I don't think they should be underrating themselves, and I think they should get more recognition for just how skilled that is as a job. So we're facing a lot of challenges around cost of properties going up, business rates are more expensive, energy, labour, all of these costs are going up. What that does mean is that in warehousing we've got to make sure that we're more efficient, and we've also got to be really customer focused. So CHEMUK is a great event. I've really enjoyed walking around. There are lots of businesses that I don't know here, as well as some old friends. In warehousing, there are warehouses across many different sectors, but in particular in chemicals, there's a certain skill set that's required in order to make sure that chemicals are being stored really safely and that all of the requirements such as temperature control are being met. So there's some specific requirements of chemical warehouses, and we're here to help those businesses. Well, we learned during the pandemic, didn't we, that whilst it is possible to connect with people through technical means, we really miss it when we don't get the chance to see people in person. So I think what's really great about an exhibition like CHEMUK is the fact that you can have those serendipitous meetings that haven't been planned, whereas Teams calls always have to be planned up front, and sometimes you lose something in that.